company has been researching and developing the vacuum field, the original technology of the industry, for over 30 years. It is the VACSCO that has only walked one way from the establishment of the vacuum pump to the vacuum system.
저희 회사는 1991년 설립 이래 진공에 관한 다양한 제품을 개발, 생산, 판매하는 진공 기술 전문 기업입니다. 차별화된 전문성과 기술 노하우를 바탕으로 IT, 반도체, 항공우주, 화학 및 기타 산업 분야에 사용하는 진공 장비를 공급하고 있습니다. 저희는 진공 기술과 산업의 발전에 기여하고 더 좋은 제품과 서비스로 고객에게 만족감을 드릴 수 있도록 항상 노력하는 기업이 되겠습니다. 감사합니다.
When it comes to vacuum, you might think of the universe first. It is easily accessible to us in daily life. A thermos bottle using vacuum insulation keeps the temperature constant. By removing the air, vacuum packaging prevents decomposition. It allows air conditioners, refrigerators, and vehicles to have the leak tests on radiators. To maintain the concentration and constant injection of the refrigerant agent, the operation is performed in a vacuum. In operating rooms and intensive care units in the hospital, dentistry, etc., a medical vacuum is being used as suction for treatment and sterilization through suction. As specified earlier, a vacuum is directly related to our life. So the demand throughout the industrial process, such as semiconductor, chemical, pharmaceutical, electronics, etc., increase constantly. Since its establishment in 1991, VACSCO has developed, designed, and manufactured vacuum pumps and systems for a wide variety of applications, from low vacuum to high vacuum and extreme high vacuum. Dry screw pump is one of the dry pumps. It operates by two screw rotors that rotate in opposite directions, so that its structure is simpler than other pumps and greatly reduces the number of components. Because the path that the gas needs to pass through is relatively short, which minimizes the accumulation of process byproducts in the pump, it is highly durable. Since it is an oil-free product, it is very clean and eco-friendly. It obtains small and medium-sized exhaust capacity so that its range of applications is wide. While contracting and expanding upon the rotation of the rotator, it intakes the air, compresses it again, and discharges it by its principle. It obtains a large exhaust speed. The decline of a degree of vacuum due to moisture or dust is low. Even if the intake condition is bad, it performs excellently. VACSCO's steady seller, the oil rotary vane pump, is a gas-tight rotary vane vacuum pump. When air flows into the inlet, it runs in the order of expansion, compression, and exhaust to retain vacuum. Today, throughout the industry, it is the most widely used model. Based on vacuum pumps, VACSCO has been leading its way in designing vacuum systems. VACSCO has also studied the basic data of determining placement and quantity of vacuum pumps at a verification test by identifying vacuum formation in the vacuum tube and the vacuum maintenance conditions. 1 hour, 10 minutes from Seoul to Beijing. 1 hour from Seoul to Vladivostok, Russia. Running at a speed of 1,200 kilometers per hour, the vacuum chamber for the tubes of ultra-high-speed trains becomes the foundation to make the world a one-day living area. Having the lunar soil and the cloning soil, and conducting various experiments and research, the Space Environment Simulator ground thermal vacuum chamber is also produced by VACSCO, realizing the extreme environment and vacuum state of the Moon from -190 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, and presenting performance evaluation of construction exploration equipment. Here we have prepared the opportunity to get closer to the Moon. Using an inert gas such as helium, and assembling products and finding out minute leakage, automated helium leakage test equipment is also a system with an advanced technology of VACSCO. Among the existing leak test systems, it has the highest safety and reliability. It measures the accurate leak rate to enable the conversion of data for quality control. Therefore, VACSCO leads the quality improvement. continuously researches and develops new vacuum pumps and vacuum systems, proving its capability. ISO 14001, ISO 9001 certification, commendation for technological innovation supervised by the Korean Ministry of Science, ICT and Future Planning. Numerous test certifications and patent certificates have recognized our technology. Now, we export not only in Korea, but also abroad. We are expanding to global markets. In the center of the overall industrial process and future industry, VACSCO exists, leading the vacuum industry. In a rapidly changing market environment, VACSCO has always challenged in various fields based on our outstanding vision and analysis. Based on technical expertise, we acquire customer trust, and we establish a global vision and strive for continuous product development. With VACSCO's unique quality competitiveness and confidence accumulated over the past 30 years, we take another leap. VACSCO's challenge will continue.